Pretty little black skin girl, me want turn you in a wifey. Pretty little diamond ring, boy, Caribbean beauty.
Hi guys, hello, hola, bonjour, it's your girl Curvy Miller and I'm back with another video. I bought this hair from AliExpress. It was between 30 to 40 pounds. I say about all the time because I actually don't remember the price of anything. Yeah, so it's about 30 to 40 pounds. You get 9 packets and in each packet you get 20 braids, but you can get smaller than 9. I used 5 packets and like a few less, that makes sense. So 5 packets did my whole head. You guys will see how I did it anyway. I wanted this look to look like it's box braids all over my head. I don't like crochet when you came with the whole thing and then like loop it through. It's not for me. With the ends, I unraveled some of them and then some of them are still braided. And what I did, I got a, what are those things called? A bendy roller. I got a bendy roller. I'm going to use a brush to demonstrate. And I basically wrapped it around like this, bent up the roller and then dipped it in hot water. So I did my hair, I did the hair in section. I didn't do it all together. The section was about that big. So maybe like, what, 10 braids at a time, and then rolled it up and dipped it in hot water. That was it. The hair is from AliExpress. I will link it all down below. As per usual, this hair is freaking long. It's at 30 inches. What else am I going to say? That's it. I don't have nothing else to say. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions you have, ask it down below. Don't message me on my Snapchat or Instagram telling me what you think about the video. Put it down below, please. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You follow me on all social medias. Everything is Curvy Miller. Nothing more, nothing less. You lot must be tired of seeing hairband on my freaking wrist, innit? What else I need to say? That's it. Enjoy. First of all, let me just say, when you do these plaits, please try not to do them too tight because it hurts like hell to fit the crochet and the braid through the plaits. You will see me making faces throughout the video, but I hope the video is self-explanatory and I hope what I'm about to say will help you. Once you loop it through, fitting your hair through this is actually a little bit difficult, but once you get a hang of it, you actually realize it's not that bad. So just keep watching and I'll explain as much as I can of how I did it. I wiggled the crochet needle through the braids and then picked up my hair from underneath the braid into the top, so my hair doesn't show too much throughout the braid. Right, I'm going to try again to explain how I did it and the best way to help you guys out. So obviously you feed the crochet needle through your plaits, you pull the braiding hair through, and then latch the end of the braiding hair onto the crochet hook and pull it through that loop, and then you just basically tighten it to the root of your hair with as less pain as possible. And then with the crochet needle, you want to take it in sections to pull your hair through. So the longer your hair is, the longer it possibly will take to pull your hair through the plait. But just make sure you got some time. If someone can help you do it, perfect, you have nothing to worry about. If you don't, just suffer like me, and then but the end results will be worth it. So you got this. Right, for the back of the hair is pretty easy and so quick. It was so quick, I promise you. The same method, but this time you don't have to feed your own hair through. I basically did it close to the side, so when I put my hair up in a ponytail, you won't be seeing much of my hair. And self-explanatory, the same thing I did for the side and the back, the bottom of the hair, sorry, I continued to do the same thing through. I asked my friend to have a look at it to see where I needed more hair, and she helped me out, and that was it. Obviously I could have taken a mirror, but I wanted someone's advice, and that was it.